Welcome to Ngobo 2010 Shop I channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, please just click the subscribe button and help us reach 20,000 subscribers. Hey, tada. This is Ngobo 2010 Shop I channel. We are here at FNB Stadium. Kaizer Chiefs just won by penalties 5-4. My brother, how's it?
Kunjani ngiyabonga mapholo ukunikeza ithuba unjani bhuti wami
Siyaphila man.
Mbulisela amasupporter bhuti wami first time mbulisa amasupporter ayithembisa branch
Oh yeah.
laba bantu bayama ngalathi mfo kunzima bayama nathi thembisa branch
Yeah.
ama-fan lokho ama-fan ethembisa branch noma kunzima ayama nathi
Yeah,
But
win or
back-
lose.
Yeah, win or lose. Back to the game man. Kubuya kwa Solomon kube kwa changer today. Ukubuya nayo Ngobo today is changing, understand?
Yeah.
Ukubuya kwakhe. Yeah, the problem bengastarta kancane out yami.
Yeah.
But if like ukuphusha kwethu Ngobo besincedisa attack abuye ngincedise la ngapha. But actually for ukungena kwa Solomon kube kwa changer today for kube kwayenza umsebenzi obhaya. Noma uSolomon ubuye wakhathala. Kube kwayenza umsebenzi obhaya Ngobo understand out yami. Enye into futhi Ngobo umdudu today was down man.
Yeah, kakhulu.
Was down, yes. I wish he may be coaching ngabe imbeke phansi start isabanye wona Ngobo understand. You understand? Ole no ori ngiyayibongela iwin kona seku next stage Ngobo. Ama players bestart ukudlala la ku federation amanye bengakaze edlale. Kubuya phambili azojwayela. Nathi abantu asibajwaye asibeni support nama players ethu Ngobo. Sale singama supporters sihloniphaneni.
Singababhuyi.
Yes, singababhuyi sohloniphe ndawo. Ngiyabonga Ngobo.
Danke kakhulu. For your soccer updates, visit www.ngobo2010shopi.com.